is especially if they're unmitigated, the markets can come back 1, 2, 3, 4, even a week later, re-mitigate that unmitigated level and give us fantastic trade setups. So I'm always looking to leave my levels on the charts, whether they're mitigated or especially when they're unmitigated. So this is my POI. So just to give traders a framework of what we're looking at, we have bullish market structure. We can see a bullish structure, right? New high, all-time high. We're in the premium. So when we're in a premium, we naturally want to be looking for shorts if we get our entry criteria. So here we are on the 15-minute time frame. So if we just take a look at this 15-minute time frame over here, what we can see is price has rallied up heavily, aggressively bullish, right? So let me just put on another indicator for traders, right? This is the daily PO3. So how does a daily candle form? And this is what I want traders to understand, right? What constitutes to an A+ setup? So an A+ setup is one that comes from a key level, right? So we've identified how to find a key level, right? If there's no level, there's no trade, right? Traders can miss out on a lot of losses, right? And hence take a lot less losses if they simply waited for price to hit a key level or a POI, a point of interest. So we want to see a key level. We want to see a PO3 alignment. So what do we mean by a PO3 alignment? This is a power of 3 alignment. So when you're trading, right, when price comes into a key level, right, you want to be selling when you're above a candle's opening price, right? I usually use the 4-hour candle's opening price at 10 a.m. Eastern, or I use the daily candle's opening price. So this is the price at New York midnight opening price. And so how does any candle form, right? Typically the daily or the 4-hour candle, right? So we're looking at higher time frame analysis, right? This is classic higher time frame analysis, right? A lot of traders, they try to use a daily, they pair it with the 4-hour. That's usually the incorrect way to do it. The best way to do it is to use ICT's simple concept of the PO3 and combine that with order flow at key levels, right? It's really that simple. And that is the third thing we look at. We look for a key level, we look for power of 3, and then we look for order flow. These are the 3 steps to any